Hello, in front of me I've got CS2. In this video I'll show you how to download and manage AIM training map. In the beginning, let's go to Play and go to Workshop Maps. Enter Visit Workshop and search for AIM training. Also, you can find most subscribed, and this is the most subscribed map for AIM training. Select it and subscribe it. Now the map will be located in your workshop maps. Select Go. And here you can select Aimbots Challenge. You can check your kills, time taken, KPM, you can start. You can select Custom. You can select Weapon. And then you can start challenge. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.